So welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you 301-955 Ouellette Avenue. It's a new built condo in 2019, one of the best areas or one of the busiest neighborhoods in Windsor, Ontario, which is right on Ouellette Avenue. And so what I love about this condo is the amount of security it has and the amount of fencing and cameras that has all over. So this condo is really perfect for a lot of different people, and the price will shock you at the end. So let's go and take a look at it right now. We are right now in the parking lot of the building. So just like you see, it's a big parking lot with unassigned parkings.
The entrance of the parking, there is a door, there's a gate that you have to scan the key before you enter, and even like when you're leaving.
Exactly.
So this is just going to add an extra safety to
first,
place.
And no one can enter this building or this parking lot without having this key fob. So that's a big
That's
plus
amazing.
for
I love this.
For this condo. And just like you see the finishes, so this condo is finished with this concrete, with block, bricks, and some vinyl and stucco on the frontage as well. So a lot of good mix and good materials to make it look like the way it is. And it's a very, very sound insulated. When you go inside it, you cannot hear your neighbors.
It's up here, then the door is open.
So this is your lobby. And as soon as you walk in, you notice the difference in the sound. There's no noise anymore. It's very calm and private here. So there's two ways to enter this building, either from the back where the parking lot is, or from the front, which is this side right here.
I like how clean the whole building is, and also how quiet it is. So usually when you enter into a building, an old building especially, there's some smell of moisture, but you're not gonna smell it in this building because this is built in 2019.
Exactly, so it's almost a new build. A few years ago, it got finished and all built. So you'll never see or smell anything bad in this property. So just like you see, it's a very good size.
As you can see, all of this fence all around the place.
And Sarah, just like you see, it's very busy road. So like walking here, you're gonna notice a lot of cars walking by. But when we were inside, you cannot even hear anything. And that's gonna be your bus stop. So you can show them on the right side.
There's just a bus coming.
Yeah, and there's a lot of more other bus stops. The hospital is just right there. And so just by standing here, I can see the buildings or Detroit downtown from here, which is a huge plus. You can just walk from here, 5 to 10 minutes walking, and you will be on the riverside. So
which is pretty nice. There's a lot of people prefer to live in central areas where there's a bus stop, where there's a lot of people are around them. They don't want to live in an isolated place. And also for investors, this is going to be a great condo for them, because if you're planning to rent this place, it's going to go as fast as you blink.
Exactly, because it's high quality built, and it's going to attract a lot of different type of people. Like if you are someone who has some kind of sickness, or you work at the hospital, you got a lot of doctors, nurses who works at the hospital. So living in a place like this is 5 minutes walking from the hospital. So that's amazing. And also it's about 7 minutes away from the University of Windsor. So there's a lot of big advantages. That's where they say location, location, location. So let's go right now. The condo is too close to the elevator. So let's say you came from the outside, you have a lot of bags. You can just within a minute, in a few seconds, you'll end up in the condo. So one thing that I need you guys to see, that we are a corner condo. So there's no neighbors on the other side, and there's no even neighbors from this side as well, because here you have stairs. So basically
It's
Like you have your own
separate.
thing. Like you have your own condo. There's
That's
no
amazing.
neighbors. No one on this side, no one on that side, the other side. And there's another one, wait for it, to tell you one of the biggest features about this property. I'm gonna tell you about it in a little bit. So as soon as you walk in, so let's show them from here, I guess. So just like you see, it's a big door, and as soon as this door closes, it's very quiet, so you can't even hear people.
Even when you open the door is too heavy.
It is, yeah. And as soon as you go in, on your left side, you have a full bathroom, 3-piece, with a floating vanity. What is granite on the top, and also like a tub and very nice toilet here. That's a good size as well. And sir, on your right side, what we actually have here is something that
The
we
most
love.
amazing feature that we have, that we should have in every condo.
This is what sells condo, and this is what leases a condo on the any other style, because having your own laundry, it's a big advantage.
This is of course a washer and dryer.
A washer and dryer, and also having your own electrical panel, your own water tank, and this is just some security tools.
As we all know, there's a lot of buildings that don't even allow you to put your own washer and dryer, because this is just a rule of the condos, and you have to share the washer dryer with lots of other people in the same building.
And that's just inconvenient. Like imagine getting your basket with the clothes and going down to wash it and pay money for it. Here you have it, it's all for free. And the main thing that they focused on this when building this building is comfort and security.
This is the amazing kitchen, amazing colors with all cabinets that we have, very deep cabinets at the same time, very tall. So we have all of this roof till the ceiling, and the color and the material, like all of these cabinets, the texture, everything is so perfect. We have a stove, microwave, dishwasher, and a fridge, and they're almost brand new. Because, you know, like there's only one person that lived in this place since 2019, since this building was actually built.
Mm-hmm. And Sarah, I love the colors. I'll keep, just if you can look at the quarters, like the granites here, and see how it matches with the walls and how it matches with the other cabinets, and the color of the LED lights. Like everything matches so perfectly with everything else.
And if you notice, even the inside, the kitchen, the bathroom are all matching with the exterior of the whole building. Mm-hmm. And even the color of the painting of the walls matches with everything. The colors are so comfy, so warm, and very easy to, you know, for the eyes. I like it. I feel so comfortable.
Sarah, here you can add some stools.
Yes. You can add 4 stools here, and this area is for your dining table, that is for a living area and a TV. And let's show you, there is one closet here. Let's show you the size of it. Now let's go on and show you the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Look how big the size is, and also look at the ceilings. I love the shape of the ceiling and also the size of the windows. Like it brings a lot of natural lights, and even we don't need for the light at this time of the day, because like there's a lot.
It's literally made no effect.
It's already bright.
It's so bright, very big windows, and it's very lit up. Like that's.
We have a closet here, and this is its own bathroom with a vanity and of course a water tub.
And Sarah, one of the things that you can easily tell that the builder went the extra mile to kind of for the safety of their residents. It's like it's right on top of you. Like you will see sprinkler system that's really nice, and they have a lot of them. Like just on this room, there's 1, 2, and also you still have your smoke alarm here. So that's really like you don't see it often.
This is also gonna lower your insurance when you're doing an insurance for your condo for sure.
Exactly, because it's safer, so it lowers the insurance.
Yes. Let's take you to the second bedroom.
And Sarah, there are even more here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's all over the condo. And even in this
we
bedroom
also
as well.
have one right here on the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom, again with a big window that brings natural light. And this is the closet specifically for this bedroom. And also the size of the bedroom is pretty good. Fits for a queen bedroom with a vanity and a table.
And Sarah, just like in every bedroom, there are the intakes and the out, which is this is like just to circulate the air in a better way. So only on this, just on the main, on the like living area, you have two intakes, and there's venting from here and also venting from this side. On every single bedroom, you have your intake and outtake for the venting and for the air to circulate in a better way.
And I like this feature because it keeps refreshing the air that you're breathing.
It keeps the fresh air, and also like Sarah, as soon as we turn the cooling in this condo, like within minutes, it turned cold, and I love that.
Yeah. Let's take you to the balcony. So once you open the door of the balcony, you'll start hearing the noise of the street. But once you close it, there's nothing. Like literally, there's nothing. Not a single noise that you can hear. There's also this door right here. If you want to open it in summer, you want to enjoy the great sunny day.
Sarah, and can you tell them why this condo is so special in this floor?
So there's each condo that is special on each floor, and this is the biggest condo in the whole. 1,115 square foot, and this is the biggest condo in the whole of the level 3.
So yeah, exactly. Like in every floor, there is one big condo that's very special in size and location, and right now we are in one of them.
And this is the corner that we're talking about. This is a corner unit, so we kind of like the place here. We kind of like the view. If you want to sit here, enjoy. There's a lot of people walking in, driving. If you want to walk in, like right there, like on the at the bottom, it's just so fun. You can add here a barbecue or a dining table right here, and you can enjoy the weather.
So what is that room there?
So this door is gonna take us to the mechanic room. As you can see, like they separated this room from the whole condo and they put it here just to, isolate the noise from the condo. At the same time, to save you more space, so they just added right here.
Exactly. And Sarah, one of the stuff that I love about this condo is having a gas outlet. That's something you don't even see in some houses. But in this condo, you have a gas outlet. So if you have a barbecue, you can just lift the lid up and connect it to a barbecue. That's really good. And also you have a power outlet from this side.
I love the gas outlet because there is also some condos that don't even allow you to put barbecue on your balcony. But right here, they have provided you what you need to actually achieve your comfort.
Exactly. Comfort is a big thing in this condo. Comfort and safety. Remember that.
Yes.
Now, Sarah, what is the price of this condo?
So if you tell us what is the price of this condo.
So this condo is listed for $399,000. Keep in mind, it's the biggest one in this floor, and also it's the one that facing the main road. There's only one condo like this in every floor. So it's a very special condo. It's like there's a lot of condos, yes, but like this is the special one in this floor, and it's a corner condo. Listed for only $399,000, and we are looking at offers next week. So if you guys are interested, reach us out. Our number is going to be on the screen, and I guess that's it. We'll see you in the next one. And if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to watch the video next. See ya.